babies. These poor baby chickens. And this is their first winter. It finally melted from Snowmageddon again, part 2. And yesterday was the first day all week that they, or at least the past couple of days, that they got out into the run. It melted quickly. We were in the 40s and 50s all week. But today, guys, no. I'm so sorry, guys. Like, this is about to end. It's not going to do anything. And this is going to be the extent of it. But these poor babies, okay? They're the first winter and they don't have a mommy. They had to figure this all out on their own. Okay. All right, hang in there. Okay, this ain't a thing. It's not really nothing's happening. It'll be fine. Oh my gosh. All right, I'll see you guys later. I love you. Hallelujah. 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 Yes, isn't this so much better? We are back in the saddle. Today was beautiful. So I think, are past the snow. Hooray. Going into the 70s next week, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome spring. Right? Are you so excited? Are you traumatized? Ding, 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 ding. Again, so, I mean, has there ever been a winter like this? Alright, guys. Here's some mush. I got your mush. Put your mush over here. You guys okay? You guys are doing okay? It's just another, 1-inch dusting. And they seem okay. They have completely accepted life as it is. I love you. Enjoy your mushy. Enjoy your mush.